Hi, and welcome back to this lesson about cryptocurrency wallets. As we discussed in earlier lessons, in order to send or receive any type of cryptocurrency, you need a crypto wallet to store your private keys and to send transactions to the blockchain. That's what a wallet does. If you want to transfer your cryptos to another person, you send a transfer request to the blockchain via your crypto wallet, which signs that transaction using your private key. In this way, the blockchain knows that this is a legitimate transaction that can only have come from you. Now, it goes without saying, but I'm going to say it anyway, that you should never give anyone your private keys. They are the passwords that allow you to control your cryptocurrency. It would be like giving someone the passwords and PIN codes to your online banking application. Now, I know I sound patronizing when I tell you that, but it's surprising how often this simple rule is forgotten by crypto users. We address private key safety in later lessons on cryptocurrency scams and scammers, but as a hard rule, never give your private key to anyone and never input it into anything other than a copy of the crypto wallet it came from. Even if you have a technical issue with the wallet and a technical support person reaches out to you asking for your private key, don't give it to them. No one who asks for your private key is a legitimate technical support person. That person is a scammer. Okay, enough with the fear-mongering. Let's look at crypto wallets. Well, first let's discuss the three types of wallet in a little more detail. As you know, we have software wallets, hardware wallets, and paper wallets. So, software wallets. A software wallet is an application that you can download to your computer or mobile phone, which will save your private keys on the same device that the application was downloaded on. In the next lesson, we will download a free software wallet and set it up on your computer. But before we download that wallet, or indeed any crypto wallet, let's walk through a list of best practices to protect yourself. And don't worry right now about memorizing all these points. These are things we will come back to again and again as we move through the course. I hope when I repeat such points in this course, you do not get too frustrated with me for repeating myself. I do so deliberately to ensure these points become second nature to you. Okay, so what are the best practices to keep in mind when working with crypto wallets? Well, when you download any crypto wallet software, please make sure you're downloading it from the correct website. Double check the correct website address from different sources until you're confident you're getting that software from its actual developers. If you're downloading a mobile wallet to use on your phone, please make sure it's the legitimate mobile app. It's best to use the download links from the original software designer's website as opposed to using the links on the App Store. So don't just search on the App Store for a mobile wallet, because there have been multiple instances of fake crypto wallet apps being released on the Apple and Google App Stores. And users that installed those wallets ended up losing some or all of their cryptocurrency. Also, never follow third-party links from a social media post, instant message, or email to a cryptocurrency or banking website. In general, you should not trust links that other people give you online, but that is particularly true when it comes to cryptocurrency. Get into the habit of double-checking the links people give you to make sure they're legitimate. Please get into the habit of verifying website addresses related to cryptocurrency applications, and then when you know you're on the correct site, bookmark it, and always use that bookmark to navigate to that site, because fake websites are also not uncommon in cryptocurrency. I even want you to double check the links that I give you in this course, so that you get into the habit of doing just this. When using search engine results to find the correct link for a website, make sure you can tell the difference between an advertised link and the search engine's own search results. Never click on a crypto ad in a search engine. Scammers have used these in the past to direct people to fake websites designed to steal your personal details and hopefully steal the login details you use to the websites where you buy and sell your cryptos. Look, there's no need for you to live in fear of scammers, but you do need to be aware they're out there and they're constantly active. So don't live in fear of them, but do begin to develop good habits to ensure you avoid them. Okay, well, that's the patronizing bit over. Let's talk a little more about hardware wallets. As you know, a hardware wallet is a physical device which stores your private keys. You control the wallet either via downloadable software or using software you access via the manufacturer's website. Hardware wallets are generally considered a safer option than software wallets, as your private keys are not stored on your computer. There are multiple brands of hardware wallet in use today. The most popular are the Ledger Nano X and the Trezor Model T. I own both, and I personally prefer the Ledger device, but they both have advantages over each other. These devices can also function as a USB security key, which is a login approval device that you can use in conjunction with email and cryptocurrency websites to help prevent unauthorized access to your accounts. And we'll talk more about US security keys a little later in the course. If you're going to hold any sum of money in crypto for a period of time, then I strongly suggest you purchase a hardware wallet. And I don't get paid for telling you that. I'm not on some form of commission if you happen to buy one. If you do decide to purchase a hardware wallet, make sure to only buy it directly from the manufacturer's website. Some considerations when buying hardware wallets are: don't ever buy a used hardware wallet or a wallet from eBay or anywhere other than direct from the manufacturer, as that wallet may have been tampered with. Make sure you're on the correct website when you make your purchase. Ledger's website is at www.ledger.com, but please go to Google, type in Ledger hardware wallets, double check that I've given you the correct link. Trezor's website is at www.trezor.io, but again, check that link on Google. In the Google search results, make sure to follow the correct links to the Trezor or Ledger websites, and please do not follow any third-party links or paid advertising links that might appear at the top of the screen. And when I say Google, of course, you can use any search engine you like. I personally like using DuckDuckGo, which, despite the silly name, doesn't track your web usage like the other search engines do. If you use DuckDuckGo along with Brave browser, your internet experience is a lot safer, faster, and more enjoyable without all the adverts and the hidden tracking links. And when you put Brave browser on your mobile phone, trust me, you're going to be surprised at how fast your mobile browsing becomes. Okay, finally, a couple of words about paper wallets. Now, you can use a paper wallet for cold storage, not for sending transactions, as obviously a piece of paper can't run the software needed to send a crypto transaction. Cold storage of crypto assets utilizes a cold wallet. As such, cold wallets are disconnected from the internet to reduce the risk of a hack or exploit. Writing your private key onto paper and saving that paper somewhere safe is one form of cold wallet. People sometimes even engrave their keys onto metal plates. Remember, your cryptos live on the blockchain and do not actually live in your wallet. All a wallet does is secure your private key. The way this works is you create a new public and private key pair using software designed to do that is not connected to the internet. You then send your cryptos from your regular wallet to the new public wallet address, and then you write that address along with its private key on a piece of paper. The advantage of this is the private key you just wrote down has never been stored on any device ever connected to the web, so it's absolutely safe from hackers. So if you do not want to make transactions for a long period of time, then you do not need a software or hardware wallet. You could just write down your private key somewhere safe. If you do write down your private key and then you lose that piece of paper, then your cryptos are effectively lost. Those cryptos will sit on the blockchain forever and nobody will ever be able to access them. This has happened to many people already, and billions of dollars in cryptocurrency is effectively lost. Please don't add your cryptos to that list. Okay, well, that's the end of this lesson. Thank you for your time, and please don't worry if some parts of this lesson did not make perfect sense to you. We will revisit many of these points in the lessons to follow, as they are fundamental to everything you do in crypto. When you're ready, please meet me in the next lesson where we will set up your first cryptocurrency wallet. But for now, as always, thank you for your time.